Hello, my friends of Hattery Labs. My name is Saul Montoya. Welcome to this tutorial. This is a tutorial from the ground up. I mean, what does it mean? That we will do the whole procedure about how to insert a geological model, a geological contact in MODFLOW with Model Muse. And this will be from zero, so it will create as well the model itself. I mean, the model geometry. So, okay, so we are going to start. How we start? We start with an email, actually. This is an email from a friend of mine that okay, let me find the this guy has sent me this data that is located in Magna Sirgas. This one, okay, let's see. Let's download the values. Okay, I have already I have the values. These are, then I come here. I go to Google and control. And then I say tutorial of geological contact. You will have this as well on the resolution of the model, on the description of the video, and this will be pixels. Okay, and then I open it up. Okay, I have these values, and these are located in Magna Sirgas, and this is actually a geological contact. So I want this in my model. So what I will do, I will save this as CSV. I can delete and I can insert. Yeah, I will, because I needed to do a coordinate transformation. Why? Because I can close this. Because actually here I never use, based on my experience, I never use any other projection that is not UTM. Yep. So in this, if this is Magna Sirgas, that is a projection for Colombia, I have to change it to UTM. So I will use QGIS. Okay. Okay. While QGIS is updating, is uploading, Hattery Labs is a blog for knowledge sharing in open source software in water resources. My degree or my specialty is groundwater modeling, and to develop more tutorials, and like this one, like this is a whole tutorial. This is the complete one, and another tutorials on MODFLOW, Model Muse, and related things. So I really want to invite you that you subscribe to this channel, and you can actually I cannot, I mean, I receive maybe 10, no, like it will be two emails per week. Say, please help me, I have this problem with my model. How do I do this? How do I insert that? And this is not, I'm sorry, I'm not able to help you in this way. Why? Because numerical modeling is nothing that you will learn tomorrow. Yeah. So I will strongly that you follow us our tutorials. Yep, and I know that there is a lack of Model Muse in English. There are in Spanish. No any other courses in English. So let's see. Let's have a conversation, and let's see when and develop some online courses where you can increase your MODFLOW capabilities. And then you like we can discuss further about how to do or what can we do with numerical modeling. Okay, so I add a delimited layer, documents, tutorial, geological contact. Okay, I have here X field is X, east, north. Okay, and this is Magna Sirgas. On the email, it was 3116 is this one, Bogotá zone. Okay, Magna Sirgas, Bogotá zone. I can go to OpenLayers plugin, Bing Maps, or Google Maps Satellite. Cool. We have the values, and these are located here, I guess. Yeah. Okay, great. What is this actually? What I will do is I will create a shape file, because actually I need the ground elevation. So in order to do the ground elevation, and then I say as WGS, and then I create on my geological contact, I create another file that is this will be point geological contact, yeah, and this will be, I need it, this will be on WGS 84. Okay, great. Okay, it again this one, but in UTM. I need it. Oh, I need as well. I need to know which song is this in UTM. So I go to Google Earth. I think that there could be another way to have the song in a much quicker way, but humble method is just here to go. If you go here, it appears the song. It's 19. It's 19. So this will be 19. Yeah. So 19 north is actually 19. This will be geological context WGS 19X. Ready. Okay, great. So this one, I want the polygon I want the polygon of this. Yes, why not? No, I want just the minimum and maximum. I get here, I go to I go to properties. And then I go to metadata. And here I have the maximum and minimum. Why? Because actually what I will do is I will copy this and I can put it in my notepad. Why? Because I need this in order to download the Amsterdam. Okay. Then I use a very handful that is a server from the USGS. I know that there are some proposals of cutting the budget of the USGS for the further MODFLOW development, and I hope that this won't happen because the guys from the USGS have done an incredible job in providing a numerical code that is really very, very handful and can deal with a lot of things regarding to the complexity of managing groundwater systems. Okay, here, and then say which is the north. North is Ymax. South is Ymin. Xmin is this one. This one, I guess. So this is the area, and then we download it. I have to log in to have your account. This is my account. Yeah, the problem is when I log in, I have to do it again. Yeah, no worry. Yeah, I wanted to do this for climate. Submit. Cool. Cool. Interesting. Okay, now I have the dam. That is this one. And then when I will apply here on an RST. Cool. Then again here, what I will upload this RST. Cool. So I have here the RST of, and in order to upload it as, wow. There is a lot of noise here. There is a lot of noise here on the well, don't worry. So what we will do I think that we will have some problem because actually the DEM is actually smaller here. Points somehow are inside the DEM. Here on here, I will do this. So if this is this, I will go match 47. If this is this, one less. This is this, I will go one more. No. And boom. So with this, Y max is 1148, the Y min is 1112, the west is to the right, so it's, and this is to the left. Yeah, submit. It's actually a little bit bigger. So I go here and then say I need it for health, for example. Mm. Actually weights more. And then I can weight much more. Okay, let's open this. Okay, cool. It's much bigger. Okay, I didn't want it to have it that big, but don't worry. What I will do is I will take these UTM points and then I will create a polygon from vector. Polygon from layer extend, and then I will use this one and I create a temporary one. Cool, great. And then this is just fixed, but I need like a buffer, something like that. So I will create a buffer, and this is the extend, and then I will no, I need just a buffer. Fixed distance buffer. Okay. I need to extend distance that will be, let's say, 1 kilometer. Yeah. And then, okay, great. So I have this, but if you have seen, I have these rounded corners that I don't like. So what I will do is I will go to, again, to vector. and then I will use polygon from layer extends from the buffer. Okay, great. So I have here my polygon, and then I save it as actual model. Actual as a, because those are temporary, so I needed to save it as a current model. So this will be model extension. Model extension. Yep. Okay. Great. Here we have the shapefile, and here I have this raster grid. I have it to change it off. If you have seen here, it's not in UTM. I have to change it to UTM. So reproject this one, the one that ends up at 945. The output is elevation in WGS 19 north. Sorry, I put is 19 north. Then I have to change it. I have to translate it because this is a TIFF. I need that as a GRD. So I go to translate. I don't need to translate this. I need to translate this. And this will be as a GRD as this one. Okay, let's see how is it. Okay, and now I have this that is actually in. Oh, it's in. I made a mistake. This is not actually in. Oh, sorry. I will remove this. I will remove this. I made a mistake somewhere. Yeah, I don't need this. I I will only keep this one. And then I go in raster, reproject. 619. And this will be north. Yes. Yeah, maybe I was missing this step. So here I reproject on UTM, and that's right. And then raster, translate this one. Here. No. Binary. Yep. Okay, now I have it, the one that I need, that is this one in WGS 19. Okay, everything from now. So I'm going to save this project, save as. This is QGIS. We model data 1. Okay, great. And then I somehow close this because I have already And then I will open Model Muse. Here, Model Muse. And then here I create a new model, projection 3619. 32619. Okay. Next, this will have 2 layers, and this will be a rock, aquifer 1, and this will be aquifer 2. Cool. And then we use the node grid options. Okay, here we will insert the file open. No, file import Shapefile, and which one we will Shapefile? We will use Geological Contact. Shapefile, the Geological Model extension. Yeah. Set value of enclosed cells. Yeah. Okay. And then here we go here. And then we open this one. And then say this will create the and we will start with 250 as a resolution. Yeah, and then we explode this. And here we have the actually what is the extension. Yep, the extension of the model that we got in QGIS. Here we have it here. Yeah. Just because you are my friends, I will create a background map because it's easier for you to get into where is the place. Okay, the next is I will create file import surface grid file, and then we go to the RST, and then this is the GRD. No, import. A problem. Okay, I come back here, model data 1. Okay, here is the model extension. I just do a zoom to layer. I go to project. I save as image. On save as image, I save it where I'm working. And this will be a raster. And this will be mapa fondo. Okay, and then if I open here a file, import mapa fondo, I said okay, and if you have seen, this is the mapa fondo, and I don't know if you can see. Okay. There is a problem here. Why? Because here it has to, this is another projection system. I have to change it to this one. Okay, now save as image, mapa fondo. I just replace it, and then file, import, image, select image, mapa fondo, and I say okay. Okay, great. So if you see here, you have the background map on your map, and then what else? This actually tells me that is not a GRD file. Why is not a GRD file? No, it's a GOT file. Okay. So then I'm going to do it again. Okay. So here I go to this, I do raster convert format, select this one, but this one is a TRD file. Tier 2. Wow. Well, let's see how it works. Okay, and then I just remove it. Oops, sorry. I just remove it from here, otherwise I cannot import it in Model Muse. And here I will go File, Import, Surfer Grid file. Shoop. And what it say if I open this? Properties. It's a GeoT file. Yeah. I will do something. Somehow it's still a GeoT file, so yeah. And this, I will remove those as well, because actually are not giving me nothing. So I go to raster, I go to conversion, I go to translate, convert format. I have this one, and I have it as, and then I say as GRD. Okay, target outside creation options. Let's see. Let's see what has done here. No, it's giving me E file. It's the same. Do processing toolbox, translate. Or convert. From GEDAL, let's see. Okay, no. Let's change this. Wow. Again, I go here. diff HD5 GRD5. Okay, and this will be tutorial raster file left. Okay, I say run. Okay, and then here I have it that is actually okay, here there is, yeah. If you do processing, we remove it from here. We want it here, file, import, ASCII raster file, no. File, import, surfer, so it's left 2, and this is, okay. Shoop. Yeah, it has converted, but it's on, it has converted, yeah. I've seen here is in geographical. So translate, because I have converted the geographical one. So I have to convert this elevation that is in this, save to file, the GRD, elevation 3. Okay, and this one is in, yeah, is elevation 3. Because I file, import, surface grid file, elevation 3. Okay, this one is in UTM, and this will be a model top. Okay, set values. Set values of intersected cells. Okay, you have the topography here. So we need to do the geological contact, and how we are going to insert that, because we have already a shapefile for this. So this geological contact here. Okay, and on the attribute table, what we have is the elevation of the geological contact. Okay, and then file, import, shapefile. I have to remove it from the QGIS in order to the other place. So shapefile. Here I have the geological contact, set value of intersected cells. And then this one is single multipart object. Yep. What else? Value of cell by interpolation. And this, the set will be as a new data set. Without interpolation, not yet interpolation. Okay, so you go here, single multipart object, you don't need this, then you go to here, set that will be a new data set. You just go to here and then go to that the data set, user define it, and then you have here, and then you have the interpolation. You can do the nearest point. Why I don't have more? Nearest point, I only have 2. 3D. Oh. Okay. It has to be real, otherwise. fitted surface, let's say. Yeah, okay. Don't worry. So here the elevation, have here the fitted surface. But you don't see, what you don't see, you have see this as flat. And how do, I mean, you have done here, you have it here, the values, but you have not assigned this as the geological contact. So you go here, you go to layer definition, aquifer to one bottom, and then you apply here. It's user defined, they created the set one. Okay, and then you put apply here, and then you have this beauty. Okay, so here okay, so you have here this beauty, but the interpolation, maybe since this is an interpolation, you are not have in some part the interpolation is higher than the, maybe you have some outcrops and so on. So then you go to the data sets, this one, and say, and you put if, and then you put a conditional here and say, oh, model top minus 20 bigger. So what does it mean is that if there is a minimum of 10 meters, the result of this will be model top 20, but if it's not, I mean, if set one is no in model top this way, I guess. If it's happened, so if set one is bigger than this, otherwise, if this one will be bigger, it will be set one. So we put apply, and then we said, okay, okay, great. So here we have a better geological contact here. Cool, great. Yeah. Okay, and here I have to decrease a little bit, so it will be minus 60. Data, edit data sets, minus 60. Apply and close. Okay, great. So this will be the tutorial for now. I hope that this level won't be so much tricky for you, I hope. For the whole people that are doing this, this type of numerical models, and they are doing this for a project, or they are doing this for a master thesis, this takes time. Yeah, there are a lot of concepts involved in numerical modeling that won't be solved by a chat or by doing a simple tutorial. It's really a very interesting job. I like it a lot, but it requires time and the attention, and it requires, I mean, we have some tutorials available on numerical modeling, and that you do them, yeah, and then you try to, I mean, even if are not related to your specific area, and try to see what you are doing. I mean, take your time on what they are doing, and try to be very, I mean, to read the whole output, try to read the ideas, the main idea, try to understand the results. Yeah, because the model that you have done is only crap. Yeah. Okay, my name is Saul Montoya. I hope that you have followed me till this part. Thank you and I hope that there are many things that I have inserted here, but I hope that you will the process. And I want to put two online courses of MODFLOW in order that you get more on these tools. I don't know when. So if you want to encourage me to do these courses, this is my mail. And once again, if you are on a deadline if you are on a deadline for your numerical model, or like if you are a deadline for any other evaluation where you have to deal with a software, I'm sorry, I won't be able to help you. For any other things, yes, why not? Okay, so please have a day. My name is Saul Montoya again, and see you in another tutorial. Bye bye. Bye.